Catalan, to do, make, equals.
Fer.
Fun future forms you'll actually use. Welcome. Hey, it's Synapse Lingo in your ears. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and bonus practice. Ready to learn Catalan?
Fer.
The verb for, to do, make with future forms and laughs? Today you'll nail, to do, and make in Catalan with.
Fer.
Then jump to the future, he will do.
Ell farà.
She will do.
Ella farà.
It will make.
Farà.
We will do.
Farem.
And, you will do.
Vosaltres fareu.
Your goal today. Your mission, understand, say, and play with.
Fer.
And its future stars, fast, friendly, and fun. Key map, to do.
Fer.
Do.
Fer.
Make.
Fer.
Future hits, he will do.
Ell farà.
She will do.
Ella farà.
It will make.
Farà.
We will do.
Farem.
You will do.
Vosaltres fareu.
Tip. Think of.
Fer.
As a Swiss Army verb, if you can do it or make it, chances are you can say it with.
Fer.
Mini dialogue. Let's drop into a friendly scene, listen and spot each future form. A. Tomorrow, we will do the plan.
Farem.
LPLA. B. Great. He will do dessert.
Ell farà.
Les posters. A. And she will do the playlist.
Ella farà.
La lista de música. B. Perfect. You will do the decorations.
Vosaltres fareu.
La decoració. A. This new machine is amazing, it will make everything easier.
Farà.
Tot més fàcil. B. Cool. So our job is simple, to do and make what we planned.
Fer.
El que hem planificat. Call and response drill. I say it in English, you echo the Catalan out loud. Ready? To do, make.
Fer.
We will do.
Farem.
He will do.
Ell farà.
She will do.
Ella farà.
You will do, plural.
Vosaltres fareu.
It will make.
Farà.
Do your homework, make your homework.
Fer.
Else doers. Make a plan.
Fer.
Unpla. Do exercise.
Fer.
Exercici. Culture tip. Catalan action in the wild. Language meets life. Before building a human tower, castell, teams often say, we will do it.
Farem.
Un bon castell. Pep talks like, you will do the base.
Vosaltres fareu.
La piña. Show how future forms motivate real-world teamwork. Laugh break. Quick joke to lock it in. A procrastinator's calendar says, I will do it tomorrow, on every day. Meanwhile their Catalan is perfect.
Ho faré demà.
But today, we actually will do it.
Farem.
La pràctica. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Q1. How do you say, to do, make, in Catalan? A.
Fer.
Q2. Translate. We will do. A.
Farem.
Q3, translate, he will do. A.
Ell farà.
Q4, translate, she will do. A.
Ella farà.
Q5, translate, you will do, speaking to a group. A.
Vosaltres fareu.
Q6, translate, it will make. A.
Farà.
Q7, translate, make a plan. A.
Fer.
Unpla. Express lane practice. Say the full English Q, then the Catalan, fast. I want to do it today. Voul.
Fer.
Ho avui. Tomorrow, we will do the project. Dima.
Farem.
El project. He will do the report.
Ell farà.
L'inform. She will do the cleaning.
Ella farà.
La neteja. It will make dinner quickly.
Farà.
El sopar rapidament. You will do the exercises first, group.
Vosaltres fareu.
Els exercicis primer. Your challenge. Create and speak, short, bold, and useful. 1. Say one sentence with, to do, or, make, using.
Fer.
E.g., make a plan equals.
Fer.
Unpla. 2. Say, we will do, your real task for tomorrow using.
Farem.
3. Assign the job to friends. You will do, using.
Vosaltres fareu.
4. Add 2 future promises, he will do.
Ell farà.
And, she will do.
Ella farà.
5. Finish with 1, it will make, easier, using.
Farà.
Wrap up. You crushed it, nice work. Today you practiced to do, and make with.
Fer.
Plus future forms.
Ell farà. Ella farà. Farà. Farem. Vosaltres fareu.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, have fun, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more Catalan lessons, drills, and games. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.